Hi, this is Katie Tolman, and this is my online business titled The Lettered K. I chose this title because this whole blog in my business is about hand lettering and modern calligraphy, and my name is Katie. So I wanted to include both of those things and kind of have a catchy tagline that way. How my business works is I write blog posts informing my customers or users on each product and how and when to use them. So here's my home page, and here I just kind of give an intro on discover the beauty of hand lettering, what it is, and why I like to do it, ways that you can apply this skill and use it in your own life, and then to reach out and contact me if you want further tutorials or more information, etc. So jumping into the products, if someone comes to this page, they can go to products and there's a drop-down menu for the three products that I recommend and that I write about in order to do hand lettering and modern calligraphy. Um, at the end of each post, I recommend the products I like to use for each category. So if we go to watercolor, I have pictures that I took of things that I hand lettered using the watercolor brushes. I write about it, saying this is how I set it up, this is how I do it, this is how it looks, these are different things that you can do. And then at the end, I say, here are some pens that will work great for this technique. Click on my Amazon link to go to this product. And I chose the affiliate business model. So if someone comes to my site and clicks on this link and ends up buying the product through Amazon, Amazon will then give me a commission of doing that. So that's kind of how I make money through this business. Um, and I have that for each category. So if we go to brush pens, I have more pictures of things that I have done, things that I write, a short tutorial, and then more products that I have recommended. And for the last one, we can go to journaling, and I have examples and those affiliate links as well. In order to make my business successful, I advertise myself through my Instagram account, like my personal one, advertising it to the followers that I already have, and using Google Ads through the campaigns that we all started for class. I also got in touch with fellow bloggers who do similar things as this and had them promote me and give tips on how to do it better and how to network. And so I formed a network with other people in the business and other people that have thousands of more followers than I do. And that's kind of how I advertise myself. But I don't think I have received a commission from Amazon yet through these links, but I know that if I were to build this business more, that's a great way that I could earn money without having to have the inventory myself or the products myself. So yeah, that's my business, The Lettered K.